Right, question 24. Convert 0.49 recurring, so that's the same as 0.494949494949 going on forever, to a fraction in its lowest terms. This is a straight skill. Do you know how to convert a recurring decimal to a fraction, or do you not? If you do, at the end of the paper there's 3 nice marks for you with no problem solving required at all. This is how it's done. 0.49 recurring, I'm going to make that x. So x equals 0. And I'm just going to write it out a little bit. I'm just going to write it out a little bit just to show what's going on here. 494949, blah, 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 etc. Now, this is how I do it. I need to be able to take this x away from something, and what I need is that this point, this bit after the decimal point, is going to be the same. I need a different amount of x, and a different number of x, either 10x, 100x, 1000x, but whatever x I've got, it needs to have the same string after my decimal point, so I can subtract them. I'll show you. So, if I times by 10, I would have 10x equals 4.949494, and it wouldn't match. But if I times them both by 100, so I've got 100 lots of x, 100 lots of x would be 49.494949, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. So I can now subtract them, and that will get rid of everything after the decimal point. It will disappear. Right? So if I do 100x, take away one lot of x, right? So I've got 100x, take away one lot of x, that gives me 99 lots of x. And 100x, we just found out, was 49.4949, and so on and so on and so on. And x was 0.4949, and so on and so on and so on. And so 99x is going to, that's all going to cancel out, and it's just going to equal 49. So I can now divide both sides by 99. That leaves me x equals 49 over 99. And that's it as a fraction in its lowest terms, because there's no common factors between 49 and 99.